So I'm a big fan of Nutella. I don't know many people who are not. And so when I saw this on the shelf of my local convenience store here in Japan, I just had to pick it up. So I've had my dinner. This is my dessert. I'm excited to open these up. So basically, it says here it's got some creamy Nutella inside some crisp biscuits. Nothing too fancy here. Let's just go for it. So it looks like they didn't over biscuify this, which is good. You've got like this baskety sort of biscuit at the bottom with just a floating pie crust thingy on the top. Let's bite in. Okay, this is absolutely delicious, you guys. The biscuits themselves are actually unique. It has a very marzipan feel to it. I suspect there might be some grated nuts of some sort in the actual biscuit as well, in addition to the Nutella itself. Maybe hazelnuts, maybe almonds. Either way, it's very Christmassy tasting. Very nice. Recommend.